Welcome back. Yet another sex racket has been busted at Calangute. Calangute Police raided a saloon and spa at Candolim on Tuesday evening. 4 Nepali girls are rescued. 2 male manager of saloon and an employee are arrested. Further inquiry is on.
Sources from the Calangute Police Station inform that the team led by the Police Inspector Nolasco Rapos on Monday raided 82 spa salon at Candolim. 4 Nepali girls, 2 customers, 1 manager and 1 employee were arrested in this raid. All the 8 accused have been kept under arrest and the case is being investigated for further links.
कलंगूट पोलिसांनी कानोळे हांगासर रेड मारून आणि एक सेक्स रॅकेट उजवाडार हाडलेले आसा. तांच्यांनी 4 नेपालियन गर्ल, 2 कस्टमर, 1 मालक आणि 1 एम्प्लॉई असे 8 लोकांक धरलेले आसात. हे फावट पोलिसांनी टुरिस्ट सीजन स्टार्ट जावचे पयलीं सगळी सेक्स रॅकेट आणि जे ड्रग्स जे गोंयांत जे चल्ले ते बंद करपाचेर थारायलेले आसा आणि हे खातीर पोलीस रात दीस वावरतात. सुशांत पळ आणि ओमकार फळी वांगडा रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी फॉर प्रुडंट मीडिया.
Government has to be an ideal employer. Trade union under the banner of Goa Convention of Workers has hit at the government as working people are forced to come on road to ventilate their demands and grievances. Convention has demanded that the state government should raise minimum daily wages of unskilled category to 385 rupees.
आम्ही क्लियर सांगूंक सोदता 215 रुपया अकुशल कामगारांक जे गव्हर्मेंटान असेंब्लींत प्रगट केले ते 215 रुपया 215 rupees per day is not acceptable and it is very late that the government has announced, and even if the government has announced, it has not been implemented in any case.
Their demands are minimum wages for all schedules of employment of rupees 10,000 per month, abolition of contract labor system, regularization of all contract workmen, parity in pay scales. Trade unions in Goa under the banner of Goa Convention of Workers have demanded that the state government should revise the minimum daily wages for unskilled category to rupees 385.
The contract labor board where perennial job operations, पारंपरिक काम जे काम करता कामगार त्या कामगारांक मोबदलो मेळोंक जाय आणि ते कंपनीच्या परमनंट रोलाचेर येवपाक जाय. ह्यो आमचो प्रथम डिमांड.
Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
Father Agnel Polytechnic College for the first time has initiated student exchange program with another country. They will attend Athena Student Faculty Extravaganza 2012-13 in Sweden. And all 12 students will experience latest technologies in developed countries for 15 days.
It's the first time a polytechnic in Goa is getting an advantage of this student faculty exchange program. The benefits, I said, is plenty. First of all, if we think of faculty, faculty will get exposure to the best practices being implemented in a developed country, and they can bring some good practices back to India so that we can implement it at Agnel Polytechnic for the betterment of the institute and the students' community.
We are also planning an India Day. We would be showcasing our Indian culture through song and dance, including Bharatanatyam, Lavani, and many other dances. And we also intend demonstrating our culinary skills to the sweets.
I'm looking to learn lessons from life. It's the first time most of us are going to be out of the country. It's going to be a lifetime experience. Hats off to my college and the people who have worked behind it and made Athena project possible for Agnel Polytechnic. And now I'm very much proud to say that I've chosen the right decision to join Agnel Polytechnic.
I expect to see the learning process over there. Expect to learn new things, see the music scene as I'm much interested in music, and also see the technology that is used in the European countries and bring it back to my country and also use it.
Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Saravali Dam is now open for public viewing in Sangay. For past 2 years, the dam was closed due to security reasons. People have asked the government to improve the touristic spot so as to develop economic activities at the venue.
People can now view the beautiful sight of Saloon Dam. The entry fee is just 10 rupees. You can also have a look at the botanical garden and eco-recreational park.
आता गोंयच्या लोकांकडे जे सुंदरशे वातावरण आसा आमच्या सगळ्या डॅमार ते लोकांनी येवन पळोवचे आनी तेजो लाभ घेवचो. जे ओपनिंग आमी इतले वर्सां बंद केल्ले ते चालू केल्ले आसा तेजो लाभ घेवचो.
People of Sangam have asked the government to arrange for a bus so that people can travel to the spot.
टुरिस्ट स्पॉट्स हांगा सांगे तालुक्यांत जावचो अशी आमची अपेक्षा. जसो नेत्रावळी धबधबो आसा तेजेर लक्ष घालचें सरकारान आनी बुडबुडे तळे सांगे तालुका वाठारांत तेजेर लक्ष घालून हो टुरिस्ट स्पॉट तर हांगा जालो की हांगसर रहदारी वाडटली, सांग्याचो डेव्हलपमेंट जातलो आनी जे आमचे भाडी मारपी सारके रिक्षा पायलट मोटरसायकल पायलट जे भाडी मारपी आसा तांकांय कितें रोजी रोटीचो कमाई मेळटली.
आमी पळयताले की प्रत्येक दर एक आठवड्याक जावं ते सुटयेच्या दिसा हांगा कितले हजारांनी 1000 1500 तरी लोक हांगा येताले आनी जे आमचे लोकल आसतले. इतलो सुंदर असो डॅम असो निसर्गाची जी कृती आहा ती तुमकां हांगा सांगेक पळोवंक मेळटा. पूण म्हाका खबर ना फाटल्या वर्सा कित्याक लागून बंद दवरलो तो. पूण आतां चालू जाल्ले कारणान खरोखर सरकाराचें आनी जे टुरिजमाचे जे चेअरमॅन आसा जावं मिनिस्टर आसा त्यांचें अभिनंदन करता.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.